Hello, what's up guys? Your guy Promzy once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are talking about how to search for schools using the DAAD website. So if you're ready for this video, stay tuned. Welcome back guys once again to the channel. So my name is Promzy. I'm a Ghanaian based in Germany pursuing my masters, and on my channel I share tips like this that help international students to come to Germany and further their education. So like mentioned before, in this video we are talking about how to search for schools using the DAAD website. I've already done a separate video talking about how to apply for German schools. So if you've not watched that video, I recommend that you go and watch it after you watch this video. So let's just dive straight into the screen. I'm going to go through step-by-step process on how to apply for the schools using the DAAD website. You just type in DAAD, you come to the website. Everyday cookies. So you choose the English, and this is how the DAAD website looks like. So search study and research in Germany, you click here and you come to course of studies, international programs, because most people are coming as international students. So you choose the international program option, and this interface will help you narrow down, because we have right now over 2,211 programs available. So this interface will help you narrow down. Let's say you are coming to do your masters, so you choose your masters and the language you want to study in. Most people will prefer English, so English only, and the field you want to study in. So for me, it's engineering. So let's choose engineering and let's search for the option. So right now we have over 332 results from this criteria, and you can come through, you can scan through and see the number of courses available. That's my course, the program I'm doing in my university. There are a lot of programs here that you can go through, and you can go to the next page. It keeps on loading. So this is how you narrow down your search, so that you don't waste your time on schools that are offering medicine or nursing. You know the course you want to do, so you just narrow down the search to that particular course. So there are other options that you can select for you to narrow it even more down. So let's just go through it step by step. So the course type, what type of course do you want to come and study here? That's the bachelor's, master's, or PhD. So if you want to do your master's, you select your master's. We've spoken about this already. Yeah, and the subject, what type of engineering are you seeking to offer? Do you want to do material engineering, civil engineering, architecture, mining? If you select, it will narrow it even more, because now it's just searching through schools that are offering engineering. But if you choose, let's say, civil engineering, now it has narrowed it down to universities that are offering only civil engineering. So if you want to go back to the broader scope, you just unclick it and everything is perfect. So there is the language section. Like we've already gone through this. Like most international students come to Germany and want to study in English. So, and you can see from here that there are a lot more options for studies only in English than other languages, or even in German itself. So city and location. So let's say you are coming to Germany and you want to study in Berlin, because that's your favorite city and that's the only city you want to complete your master's in. Mostly the location of the school doesn't matter, but if the location is very key to you, you just come here and select the location, Berlin. So for our search, we are looking for masters engineering English in Berlin. The more the criteria, the lesser the option, because now you are looking for international programs that are taught only in German, that are engineering course, and that are in Berlin. So we started from 332. Now we have only 18 options in Berlin. But like I said before, the location is usually not a key factor for international students. Once it's in Germany, they are good to go. We skipped one thing here. I think we skipped the duration. So if you're looking for a program that is like 2 years, you come. If you're looking for a program that is 1 week to 1 month, if there is available, then you can see that there's no program for you to complete your master's between 1 week to 1 month. So that means there's no school available like that. If you want 2 years, there are some schools available to complete masters in 2 years and up to 4 years. Okay, the institution type. We have the university and the University of Applied Sciences. I think in German is university and technical university. There's not a lot of differences between the two, but I know the technical universities are like ranked higher than the normal and the average universities, but that doesn't really make a difference when you're applying for the schools. And the institution is when you know the particular university you want to go to. Like, let's say your friend told you he's in Darmstadt, TU Darmstadt. So you come and type Darmstadt, you see Darmstadt University of Applied Science. That is like Technical University of Darmstadt in German. So that is what the institution here is for. The institution is when you know the particular university or the particular institution you want to go to. Tuition fee. So this is very key when you're applying for your university. Like I said, most of the public universities in Germany, you are not required to pay tuition fee. It's usually 500 euros or between 350 to 450 euros as semester fee. So you come and select here up to 500 euros per semester. And I think that one will erase the university that you are required to pay university. I think this section is very, very critical because you don't want to be applying for schools that require you to pay huge amount of money when there are schools in Germany that are basically free for students. When does the course begin? This is very, very important because in Germany, like I said in previous video, in Germany there are two main semesters. We have the summer semester and the winter semester. And you can see clearly here that most of the courses or most of the availability is during the winter semester because that's the main admission portal for the universities. But sometimes if you want to come to school during the winter semester, the summer semester, you just select the summer semester so that it will erase and sort out all the schools that will be available only during the winter semester. So it depending on the semester that you are coming, you select it so that you don't waste your time applying for schools that will open portals for winter semester, but you are planning to come to Germany during the summer semester. I think these are the most important things you go through, and this will help you go through your application. I hope you're enjoying the video you are watching, and if you like the content, you can support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and giving me a thumbs up. Let's get back to it. So let's take typical example, TU Cabinet, and you're applying for advanced manufacturing. You come, you click on the school, on the course. It gives you the name of the course, the university. So it gives you brief information about the course. The degree is like Masters of Advanced Manufacturing. It's taught in English, as 100% English. The duration is 4 semesters. It begins in the winter semester. The deadline of application is 15th July for the following winter semester. So you have to note the deadline is very important. Tuition per semester, we don't pay anything here. And the other important thing you're supposed to note, you come here, the requirement and registration. The requirement and registration, you go through and see if you meet the requirement for this university before you apply for the university. If you're applying for language requirement, courses taught in English, you are supposed to meet these requirements. It's either you've studied in English, so this will work for most students coming from Ghana, And application from English speaking country, there's it. If you are taught in English, you don't need. Application submission, this is very important. So they've made it clear that to this university, your application should be made through Uni Assist. If you don't like this university, you can always come back, go through another university. TU Freiburg, okay. Application deadline, there's the course. It's taught in English, 4 semesters. It begins with in the winter semester. You go through. Most importantly is the requirement and registration. And you can see that with TU Freiburg, you don't have to apply through Uni Assist. You can apply directly to the university. So you click on the link if you want to apply. You come to your university portal, and it's in Deutsch now. Let me change it to English. You come to the university portal, you create an account and start your application. That's if you want to apply to this university. Honestly, I think this website is very, very important, and I personally use this website to search for school when I was coming to Germany. So I hope I was able to take you through the step-by-step process in searching for schools using the DAAD website. I have a lot of videos. I have a lot of informative videos like this on my channel that will help you go through your application smoothly. But if you need any extra assistance, or because of one or two reasons you don't have enough time to go through the application process by yourself, you can contact me and I will be willing to go through with you. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you find this video very educative and informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and put a nice comment in the comment section below. Like always, the name is Promzy and I'm signing out. Peace.